Hi, today we're making chicken stir fry. We're going to start by boiling some water. I like to boil for about 10 minutes and then I wash the spaghetti to get rid of any extra starch, and then I'll add some salt in the second round. Now, while the spaghetti is cooking, you want to cut and season the chicken. I like to put my chicken in the freezer for about 30 minutes before I cut it because it helps me slice thinner pieces because the chicken is firmer. After you slice your chicken strips, season them with salt, garlic powder, and paprika, and combine everything by using your hand to mix well. After you season the chicken, add oil to a medium-sized skillet and cook the chicken in an even layer over medium heat, turning from time to time for 2 to 3 minutes. While the chicken is frying, wash the spaghetti to remove any excess starch and then add salt to the new water. Check back on the chicken and continue turning until slightly golden. Now add in the veggies. I bought a stir-fry vegetable mix that comes with the teriyaki sauce and the standard veggies. So just stir in the pack of veggies and cook for a minute more until cooked through but not overdone. Now pour in that teriyaki sauce. Make sure you give a really nice and generous coating. Now transfer the cooked spaghetti to the skillet and pour the sauce on top and toss until fully incorporated. This recipe keeps well in an airtight container for up to 3 days in the refrigerator. You can reheat on the stove or in the microwave. Just add a few drops of water when reheating to loosen the sauce. I hope you enjoy.